Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Ashana back with a new video. I'm going to show you guys an updated brow routine because I do my brows differently. Yes, they do low-key look the same, but they are different. I mean, I incorporated a new step. So all you're gonna need is like 5 things, right? So I'm gonna first I do my brows with the e.l.f. Brow duo thing. This is like crusty, like this is disgusting. Yeah, so it's just got mad product on it. It's just like mad dirty. So I use the e.l.f.'s duo brow. I don't use the powder because the powder is too light, but obviously I use this shade in here, so I need to give me a new one like ASAP. Anyway, so I also use the Allegro Pro concealer. This is my favorite. This is in the shade Toffee. I use a brow brush. It's from e.l.f. so it has the spoolie on one side and it have the angle on the other side. So that's what we're going to use. So, and last but not least, I have the Carrie Palette because it's a shade in here that I like to use to fill in my brows. I never used to use any eyeshadow or powder, but I do now. So this is the Carrie Palette. So I'm going to show you guys step by step how to do my brows. Disclaimer, I do not do my I do not do my eyebrows on camera because it takes me a while. Like, I'm a perfectionist when it comes to my brows, so that's why I do not incorporate it in my makeup tutorials, because my makeup tutorials may be longer than it is supposed to be, because my brows, it's like the most sensitive part of makeup. Like, you don't want them to be, you just want them to be like, I don't know, I can't explain it. If you do makeup, comment down below, like, are your brows easy for you, or are they just take like 40 minutes? I use this concealer brush. It has concealer on it already. Wait, it has concealer on it already, so I just use that. I'm gonna show you what I use that for too. So basically, when I start, I don't know, do I want to come like OD close? Let's see. I may look really greasy because I just did my skincare. If you want to see a skincare video, I will have it in the description box. I will pop it in the cards. I have 2 skincare videos, so check that out. So what I do first is just, should I do my, alright, I have a brow that, you know, just cooperates all the time, you know, it just gives me life. Then I have the brow that always gives me issues. It's just so happened the left brow is my best brow and the right one isn't my best brow. The funny part is I am right-handed, so you would think me going like this that the brow comes out better on my right side, but it doesn't. The left side is always better. Yeah, the struggle. I basically carve out my brow before I do them. I learned this technique when I first started my channel. I was watching Viva K Glam. I love her videos. So I actually met her in Manhattan maybe a year ago, and she is like super sweet. So basically I just grab a mirror. I'm gonna use any mirror, so I'm gonna just basically carve my brow. Okay, this is self-explanatory because it depends on how you like your brows, how your brows are shaped. So just basically, I smell weed. Anyway, so I just basically carve out under the brow. So I just bring it down because I just want to like blend it out. I just want it to be super clean. So I mean, not the hard part, but the like where it could get really messed up at is when I shape out the top. So I basically take a little bit more concealer, but I just take some off because I don't want it too thick at the top. So I basically just take my brush and just go across. Then I come down for the arch, and boom. That's how I get my brow popping. So you see the shape is there, everything's there. You shape out your tail of your brow the way you want it. And I just basically, you know, make sure everything is straight. It's not gonna come, it's gonna look weird at first though, so don't come for me, it's gonna look weird, right? So basically I just, once I get my shape the way I want it, like this, okay, I can see it, the shape is there. So I just basically go on any blending brush, we're gonna use this one, and we're gonna just blend out the top. We're gonna just blend out the top. And now you can actually see the shape of the brow. Mind you, I do not I do not pluck my brows. I do not get them waxed. I don't do anything to my brows. I never got them done a day in my life. This is just my natural shape brows. A lot of people ask me, like, do I get them done? I never in my life got them done. I never thought to get them done. I just leave them as is, so I have the luxury of not having to get them done. So I go in with the angle brush with the product on it, and then I just basically get the capping. Go under the brow, nice and lightly. But I also start with the top and the bottom, just so I can get my shape going. And if you go out of the lines, it really doesn't matter because you can also go back in with concealer, so that's not a big deal. So you just, as you add product, you just basically, you know, blend it out. Blend it, blend it, blend it, blend it, blend it, blend it, blend it. I should have started with the other eye. We're gonna show y'all the easy brow first. I love my brow in the front to be lighter, like an ombre effect, if that makes any sense. And by you carving out your brow, it makes it pop more. Being that it's winter time, well, fall, I like to darken up my brows, so I'm gonna go in with this shade in the Carrie Palette, and I'm gonna go in with Nimbus. This is a nice, I wouldn't say chocolate, but it's like a nice brown shade, especially for the brown. It matches the brown that I used just now, so I'm going to just add a little bit onto the brush and then just fill in if there's any more spots that I need to, you know, fill in. Then I'm going to fill them in. And it just really makes it look so good. See how that's blended in? Oh, this is like popping. I don't go to the very end because I like it to be ombre. So I just basically stay within the tail, the middle, and yeah. Yeah, that looks nice. Damn, I did this brow better than if I do it off camera. I'm scared of you. This is my brow. Like, look at that. Last but not least, I go in with the e.l.f.'s brow gel. I think this isn't clear, so I guess if you want them even darker, then you can get a shade, but I wasn't thinking about getting a shade, so I just basically, this also helps to blend out everything. So yeah. This brow looks poppin'. Like, who's she? Who that is? Who that? Who is that? I don't know. Look at that. Look at this side, and then just look at this side. Like, okay guys, so I did my other brow off camera, and I think this, my right side tail is a little thicker than this side, but you know, we're gonna leave it because they look perfect. I had to come to the conclusion that your brows are not gonna look just alike unless you nice like that. Unless you are nice like that, then you said. Me on the other hand, I'm different. I'm cut from a different cloth, and they're just gonna be sisters and not twins, and I'm fine with that as long as they slayed. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was nice, short, and sweet, and I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. I don't know if I want to put on some makeup or not, because I have a doctor's appointment at 2. And should I go to the Dr. Slade or what? I think I should, like, low-key. I think I should go to the Dr. Slade. See you guys in my next video. I love you guys so much. Later.